Okay, hey everyone, thanks so much for coming back. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Court, and I have another video for you today on how you can massively grow on TikTok. So I've just started TikTok not too long ago, and I've probably gained over like 300 followers in the matter of like 2 days because I wasn't even really taking it serious at first. But it has been a great way for me to grow my business, specifically my affiliate marketing business. And excuse the noise in the background, but my dog is here, and so he is like on 10 today. So you'll have to bear with me because he's wanting all of my attention right now. Now, like I said, I have some tips to help you grow on TikTok and how I've been doing it and how I've been gaining all of these followers and views and all these things like that. So stay tuned and we will dive right into it. Okay, so yes, we're going to be talking about how you can massively grow on TikTok. So I came up with this little presentation to help you guys out. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below so that I can really help you guys. Okay. Now, the first thing that we're gonna do, that we need to talk about is like why we should even be using TikTok in the first place. Okay, because there's so many platforms to choose from Facebook to Instagram to Twitter to LinkedIn. But specifically, we're going to be talking about we should be using TikTok. Okay, so the first reason is because there are more than 689 million active users of TikTok worldwide. Like, that's crazy insane. And even more than that. So let's look at how many people actually download TikTok. It's 2 billion people that actually download TikTok. Give me a break. So there's 2 billion people that have downloaded TikTok so far. I mean, when I look at this, that means basically there's 2 billion customers waiting for me. Okay. It's also the most downloaded app on the Apple's App Store. It's also ranked as the top most downloaded app in Apple's App Store for 2019, and then it has more than 33 million downloads. Okay, so you have the potential to reach 33 million people, right? And also, I want you to know where it falls. Like, it's one of the quickest and easiest ways, like I said, to grow your audience, especially if you don't have an audience, especially if you're trying to funnel people to your YouTube to make money, to monetize your YouTube. And let me tell you why. Because TikTok, when you make the videos, you have the option to do 15 seconds or 60 seconds. Okay, so that is short, curated form content. Okay, short curated form content, which means you have the ability to reach like it says 33 million people who've downloaded it, right? Who've downloaded the app, and now you're able to build a like factor with them and a no factor. So your audience gets a chance to like you and begin to know you, and then you can, when you funnel them to your YouTube channel so that you can do monetization, that's how you will build the trust factor. Okay, you can build the trust factor with the long content, the long curated form content. Okay, so videos that are like 15 minutes or more, or 10 minutes or more, whatever. But in TikTok, they're 15 to 60 seconds, which, like I said, that plays to your advantage because you get a chance to get your audience to like you and to know you a little bit. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and create an account. Here's my account, Hustle and Heal. Pretty much the same as like the YouTube channel. And what you want to do is you want to add a nice profile pic, add an SEO based bio on your profile that includes who, what, and why. And this is a little example that I've given you. Okay, so I'm gonna give you go to my actual YouTube. Go to my actual YouTube. Go to my TikTok profile because you can view TikTok on your desktop. So I'm gonna view it for you so that you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, really quickly. So let's go here. So this is my TikTok profile that I have up. Okay, now I don't have that many followers, but this is like how many followers I've gained, like being consistent, okay, for the last only like 2 days. 208 followers. Crazy, you guys. Now, imagine if I'm consistent with this, like so many people have been before, for like 6, 12 months, a year, whatever. Some people have been on this for like since it was first released, or when it first hit the scene. So, that's why you see some people, they have like 4 million followers or a million followers and things like that. But in my bio, you can see right here, this is the who. So who is the baddies, which is you guys. You guys are yeah, bad. But I'm teaching baddies how to make money online. And I have with an affiliate marketing, I have a course that's listed in Starbucks. Okay, so as you can see, this is my who. So you guys are my who. Who am I speaking to? I'm speaking to the baddies, because these are the people that I relate to the most. um, and it kind of seems to be my audience, or like women. And then so it could be teach women, if that's your thing. It could be teach baby mamas, it could be teach parents, whatever. You need to find out who your audience is, and then what your what. So what are you going to be teaching them? I'm going to be teaching the bad girls how to make money online. And then why, your why is kind of tied into, like, a little bit like how you're going to be teaching them. So why you're doing this, maybe it's to help them escape their 9 to 5, maybe it's to help them heal, like me. I didn't add a why because here's the thing about TikTok: it only gives you 100, no, sorry, not 100, only 80 characters in your bio. Okay, so you only have 80 characters to make this work. Um, and then I have my link here. Now, what I want to say about this link is, don't let people fool you. There'll be YouTube videos galore saying how you can add the link to your bio. The only way you can do that on TikTok is you have to have at least 1,000 followers. Okay, so if you don't have 1,000 followers, you can't put your link unless you create a TikTok Pro account. Now that's what I'm going to be talking about in this next step here. Okay, so let me go back into presenters mode. Right. Okay. So we're here. We created the account. So now we need to sign up to TikTok Pro. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you really fast, like how you can do this. So I'm gonna go back out of here. So basically, all you have to do, the reason why you need the TikTok Pro, or another reason why it's great to have it, is because yes, you get to put your link. Okay, so I need to put that in this presentation, but you get to put your link, and also you get to see your analytics. Okay, y'all, you get to see your analytics, and this is important because you don't want to be steady producing content that no one that your target audience is not interested in. You want to put content out there that they want to see from you. And so the only way you can do that is with analytics, so you can see what people watch and what people don't watch, which, I mean, but when viewing it, so you know what time to post, things like that. So you're gonna choose manage my account, and then you're gonna tap switch. So I got like a couple of pictures here. Let's see if I can pull them up. Okay. So first, you're gonna want to come to you after you create the profile. You're gonna see these 3 vertical dots. Okay, this toggle bar, and then after that, you're gonna want to come to manage my account. Okay, and then you're gonna come down to where it says switch to pro account. And it's that simple, you guys. There's no fee to do this. So don't, somebody telling you, oh, it's going to cost. I don't want to hear all that. It's not. It's not. It's just free. So you're going to switch to your pro account. And then, yeah. So I think that's all I got. Okay. So that's it. It's pretty simple. Now, after we've created our pro account, now this is just a little tidbit, because I want anybody getting in my comments talking about oh, I can't do this now, because you're not going to be able to. Yes, you're going to be able to put your link in there. Like I said, once you switch to a pro account. Now, remember, there's a lot of like copywriting and things like that. So it's the same thing when you go from the Instagram, like how you go from Instagram business to when you go to a TikTok pro. You're not going to have access to all the same music. But what I do is usually I just search the sound that I want, that I'm looking for, and I just kind of look for like a free version or remix version under the sounds, and I save it under my favorites. Okay, so that's a little tidbit to help you out when you guys switch to a pro account. I don't want you guys hollering about you can't get all the music and the things that you want. Okay, so if you want a more in-depth tutorial on TikTok, then let me know. I can do that as well. So let's go back into presenter mode so you all can see this. Um, Now, the next thing that we want to do is step 3. You want to create content. So the first things that I want you to do is, after you create your profile, you switch to the Pro Creator account, create 12 videos. And y'all, I'm telling you, this really, really works. Okay. But, and see, this is the you building your like, no, trust factor with TikTok. Okay. So you need to build a relationship with not just the audience, but with TikTok, because, and it's the same thing with any platform. They only want to promote people who they can send an audience to that's producing content. They don't want to, so that's why they crave, they admire, they little love, okay, consistency. So in order to bring that to the forefront, we're going to create 12 videos on the first day, not the second day, not the third day, not the fourth day, but on the first day. Okay. Just so that we can show that, we're about this life, we got content, we're ready to get out of there, we're ready to get out there and in front of our audience. Okay. And it also lets TikTok know your niche, okay, or which area you're going to be in. If it's going to be okay, okay, if it's going to be make money online, if it's going to be baby tips, if it's going to be jewelry tips, if it's going to be shoe tips, shoe flipping game, whatever it's going to be. Okay, so it lets TikTok know what niche you're in, where you follow. I mean, at first, you're probably going to be a little all over the place, because if you don't know your audience. So now, I'm sorry, yeah, now day 2, but all in the same day, you also need to, during these first like couple of days, you need to follow 100 to 200 people per day in your niche. Now, this is kind of like the like follow unfollow method, kind of, but basically what you're going to do is, I usually kind of like follow maybe 5 or 10 people who have more followers than me, that are, in the same niche, but are going in the same direction that I want to go, or have some of the same videos that I want to produce. And then the other 100 to 200, I follow people in my niche. So, I may go to um someone who has a bigger following than mine, look in the comments, and I'll follow the people who have commented on their videos. So this is called putting in work. No, but it's just that little bit of work, that little bit of effort. So those are really is what it's called, are lead generation activities. So I mean, if you want to be at home all day, this is what your work is. Hey, these are your lead generation activities. You're bringing in people, because this is your first go round. So you're trying to get people, like we said, to like, know, and trust us. All right. Now, step 4. Okay, this is how we go viral. This is how we take it to the next level. Okay, and this is with our descriptions. Now, in the descriptions, after you create your video and you've created the content, at the bottom, when you get to click, when you create your videos, it's going to say next, 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 next. So at the bottom, you're going to create your description, and in your description, you only get 150 characters. So let's make it count. Okay, now the first thing that we want to do is give a description of what we were describing in the video. I mean, I kind of do that, but I more so also tell them what to do, which is click the link in my bio. Like, I always want to direct them to the link in my bio. You always want to direct them to the link in your bio, because people will keep scrolling if you don't tell them what to do. So you have to tell them what to do, okay? And so I created this value ladder right here. Well, it's not really a value ladder, but it is a ladder. It's called the step method on using hashtags. So you want to use hashtags that are closely related to your niche. I like to say sometimes I do use one viral hashtag, just just to throw it in there. But okay, if you're under 1K, you want to be aiming for hashtags that's had like 50K to 250K views, so you can become popular in those hashtags. Okay, like and then if you're under 5K, you're gonna target hashtags that have had 250K views to 1 million views. And then if you're under 10K, you're going to target 1 million to people who've had 2 million views. Okay. Now, after that, all you have to do is rinse and repeat. And then don't forget to follow me at Hustle and Heal on my TikTok. Okay. Now, so yeah, I think that's pretty much it for all of the steps. And that's pretty much what I've been doing, or what I did, you guys, literally to get those 200 followers in like 2 days. Okay. So, and literally I woke up and had like 80 notifications, and I know I had to make this YouTube video because I have so many people who struggle. They're like, Brittany, how can I get traffic on TikTok? How can I even get views on TikTok? Like, my views are suffering, and all this kind of stuff. So come to this video, and if ever you find another method, maybe you stop and then you come back to this one and it gets you rolling again. So this is just something to help you guys get your traffic in. So I want to say thank you again. Thank you so much. I hope this video helps. Let me know down below in the comments, when you do the steps, how many followers you end up getting or whatever. I think that'd be really, really cool. I'm also a part of a TikTok challenge with Freedom Breakthrough. Okay, so you guys, please, if you're looking to really, really grow, you can come be a part of the challenge. Come join it or whatever. The link to it is below. Okay, it's you can join the challenge below. And I want to support you guys, so if you follow me, let me know what your TikTok is below once you create your account, so I can follow you guys back. Like, I'm so excited for you all and for your journey. And let's see, I know I'm saying and a lot, but I'm just trying to make sure that I cover everything before I get off of here, because I always feel like my videos are like super, super long. So, yeah, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. All of the support that you all have given me is so great. And any advice or suggestions or feedback that you all have, I take it to heart. I love it, and I pour it into all the things that I do to keep you guys educated. So, if without further ado, if you guys don't have anything else, stay tuned for the next video. The next video, hopefully, like I said, I'm trying to drop them out daily. And if there's anything else that you want me to discuss or show step by step, just let me know. And I will see you guys on the next video.